This is Malta's most famous snack. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Malta is a tiny island in the Mediterranean, but its food is full of big influences. Italian, Arabic, even British. These little pastries are called pastizzi. You'll find them everywhere in Malta. Crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside.
As you can see, they're open on the top. These are filled with ricotta, cheese, and then the ones here that are folded are filled with peas, like mushy peas.
Oh, okay.
And they've also started making chicken pastizzi, and you know the difference because of the sesame seeds.
Okay, this is nice.
So, and traditionally,
I
in
feel very
places like
British.
that, you have your tea in a glass.
So you have the British influences again. Some of this pastry is that Middle Eastern or
Sicilian
Italian.
too,
Yeah.
Italian too. And this is probably Malta's most popular street food. Any town or village you go, you'll find a little shop. And most of them won't have a place where you can sit down, but you'll go and buy your pastizzi and then walk around the street and walk around the world.
Well, I heard someone say finger-licking goods.
And then I'll open this for you too.
So they really are mushy peas, very British. I tell you, the Maltese really like their pastries, don't they?
This is a snack, or even if sometimes somebody drops by home at tea time and you send the children off, they go buy me half a dozen pastizzi or a dozen pastizzi.
And the tea is a nice little touch.
I've also asked them with our tea to bring us Kinnie.
Your local Coca-Cola.
Yes, it is.
You have to do the traditions.
It is made with orange. and
Yes,
this
it's
is-
like a bitter orange. Like it.
I just loved these flaky, crispy treats.